Hello and welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official 5 Minutes of Freddy's cookbook. Today we're making Freddy Fazbear's Pepperoni Express. Thank you to these comments. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what to make next in the comments below. To start this recipe off, you want to make the pizza plus master dough, which requires a generous 1.5 cups of lukewarm water, 2¼ teaspoons of dried yeast, and a teaspoon of sugar. Set that to the side until foamy. In a separate bowl, combine 3 3/4 cups unbleached bread flour, 2/3 of a cup of fine semolina, and 1 teaspoon salt. Once that's mixed together, make a well in the center, pour in your yeast water and 4 tablespoons of olive oil, mix with the back of a wooden spoon or a dough hook attachment for a stand mixer. Once it starts to pull away from the side of the bowl, pour it out onto a floured surface and knead it until it springs back at a light poke. Once you're done kneading it, place it in a bowl brushed with olive oil, cover it, and put it in a warm place until double in size, about an hour. Now, starting on the Easy Plex pizza sauce, you want to put 400 grams of canned chopped tomatoes through a sieve until it's fully juiced. Then, when all the juice is out, you want to add 2 tablespoons tomato paste or puree, a teaspoon dried oregano, half a teaspoon sugar, and salt and pepper to taste. Once it's all mixed together, you're done. No cooking required. Now, you want to separate your dough into 4 even sizes and spread them out until they're about 12 inches in diameter. Then you add pizza sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, and capers. I forgot to add the capers, I added them later and it worked out fine. These turned out great. Using actual gluten-filled dough was much better. No one was left out. I still made a gluten-free dough for my mom. This tastes like pizza. The arugula was very nice, and capers are surprisingly good. 9 out of 10.